Diffit for Teachers creates materials in a click. You will love it, I assure you. It adjusts students' levels, it translates materials. Buckle up, you're in for a treat. You'll save so much time. Link will be in description as always, no worries. It's free. Yes! First, sign up. Whatever you're teaching, we've got you covered. This is a great promise. Step 2, customize, because teachers know best. That's another truth. And step 3, get student-ready activities. Are you ready for this? I am. Simple interface. Let's choose literally anything. Let's start off with that one. But as you can see, you can start with books, article on YouTube link, text or PDF, vocabulary list. Above, you have your area, your resources, and you have the activities. So let's start. So you can choose the level, the language, and the type of text. Wow, this quick. Let's have a look at the result. So I chose photosynthesis, which is not my area, to see how that works. So you have images you can choose from. You have an adapted reading passage, which you can customize or you can edit. You can also copy it. You have a summary, which you can also edit. Key vocabulary words and definitions. Multiple choice questions, short answer questions, open-ended prompts. This is really good. Now, in a click, you'll choose the activity. Pay attention that you have some activities which are paid. And that's it, a click. Can you imagine? This is fabulous. So you have many activities to choose from, as you can see. And they may vary. So let's finally choose one. Export activity, and that's it. I advise PDF. Export. Let's check out the result. Oh, I love it. Already prepared in a click. Don't tell me I don't bring you the best free tools for you in your practice, because well, I do. Let's try another one. This time I'll choose a Portuguese book because my language is Portuguese. I'll choose another level, my language, and information text. Here's the result. I don't like any image, so I'm not going to choose any. But you have the same type of exercises. Then you click on Get Student Activities, choose one, and that's it. Then you just have to download it. How brilliant is Diffit for Teachers? I love it, don't you? Well, if you like the video, do check out my playlists, especially the one that is Educational AI, especially for teachers like you and me. So if you like the video, do like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools for you in your projects. Bye-bye for now.